Namaste. Today we're going to speak about manifesting what you want. So in order to manifest what you want, first you have to be very, very clear about what you want. So take a moment and close your eyes and visualize that which you want. Be very clear, very detailed, and very specific. See all of the details of what you want. How you're feeling, where you are, what you're wearing, who is around you, everything about your environment and yourself, even the reactions of people as you have what it is that you want. Now that you're clear about what you want, think of someone else that you know, that you can ask the divine to give this to. This is called sat karma or good karma. We also call it seva. Now gently close your eyes and ask the divine to give this to someone else. For example, if it's wealth that you want, pray for someone else to have wealth. If it's physical healing that you want, pray for someone else to have physical healing. Once you're finished, you can open your eyes. Let me know in the comments what you asked for. I asked that everyone in this country should become awakened and move into a state of enlightenment. Next, connect to the divine. This is an image of the supreme light of supreme love. The supreme light of supreme love is everything that is divine in the universe. You can see or experience your divine through the supreme light of supreme love. So connect to the supreme light of supreme love. You can gently close your eyes and ask the supreme light of supreme love to connect with your heart and awaken the divine in your heart. Ask this supreme light of supreme love to awaken in your heart as your divine. Now, keeping your eyes closed, visualize that which you want for yourself. See it very clearly, very detailed and specific. Be very clear about that which you want. See yourself having this, living with this gift. See that this desire is completely fulfilled. Now look inside and see, how are you feeling? Do you feel good? If you feel good about this, that's wonderful. Thank the Divine for giving you what you want. But if you feel a negative emotion, a fear, an insecurity, or maybe you feel as though you'll never have it, or it may never come to you. Maybe you feel like you're not good enough. If there is any feeling at all inside of you that's negative, any discomfort, connect with the Supreme Light of Supreme Love and ask the Divine to completely remove this, to completely heal you and release you of this negative emotion or feeling. Because it's this emotion that is standing between you and that which you want.